After much thought on the topic for this week's speech, I've decided to talk about hurricanes. Throughout, I'll talk about how a hurricane is formed, what kind of damage it can cause, and how to better prepare yourself for future hurricanes. According to silinks.gov, hurricanes form near the equator over warm ocean waters. Hurricanes, also called tropical cyclones, require warm and moist air. Normally, hurricanes form in waters that are at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, wind is a necessity as well. Meteorologists put the development of a hurricane into 4 different stages. The first stage, water from the ocean condenses to form clouds. It releases its heat to the air. The warm air rises and is pulled into the column of clouds. Evaporation and condensation continue, building the cloud columns higher and larger. In the second stage, the thunderstorm goes higher and larger while the air at the top of the cloud column is cooling. As heat energy is released, the clouds become warmer. Air at the surface moves towards the lower pressure area, rises, and creates more thunderstorms. In the third stage, when the wind speeds reach 39 miles per hour, the tropical storm gets a name. Wind begins blowing faster, twisting and turning around the eye, or the calm of the storm. Wind direction is counterclockwise, west to east, in the northern hemisphere, and clockwise, east to west, in the southern hemisphere. This phenomenon is known as the Coriolis effect. Finally, in the fourth stage, when the wind speed reaches 74 miles per hour, the storm is officially a Category 1 hurricane. There are also 5 categories of hurricanes as well. Category 1 hurricane has a wind speed of 74 miles per hour to 95 miles per hour. A Category 2 hurricane has a wind speed of 96 miles per hour to 110 miles per hour. A Category 3 hurricane has a wind speed of 111 miles per hour to 129 miles per hour. And a Category 4 hurricane has a wind speed of 130 miles per hour to 156 miles per hour, while a Category 5 hurricane has a wind speed of 157 miles per hour or faster. Damage done by the different categories, according to atmos.edu, goes as follows. Category 1 hurricanes can cause damage to trees to unanchored mobile homes. Category 2 hurricanes can cause damage to mobile homes and do damage to roofs. Also, minor flooding is a possibility as well. Category 3 hurricanes can destroy mobile homes, damage small trees, and minor flooding is a problem. Category 4 hurricanes can completely destroy mobile homes, and areas by rivers or the ocean can have massive flooding as well. Finally, Category 5 hurricanes can cause massive damage to homes, industrial buildings, can blow away small buildings, and can cause massive flooding in cities with rivers. Flash flooding, which is where a large amount of rainfall is produced in a short amount of time, can happen with a Category 2 through a Category 5 hurricane. Roads can be washed away, and parts of towns can be destroyed. Power lines can be toppled over and can cause an electric current throughout the water. Ways to prepare for a hurricane can involve many different steps. Ready.gov gives basic steps such as know where to go, prepare a disaster kit, and pay attention to the weather service. To prepare your home for a hurricane, clear clogged areas or debris to prevent water damage. Reinforce the roof and doors. And finally, have a portable generator for use during power outages. If a hurricane does strike, find a safe area that can withstand the hurricane. And if flooding does occur in your city, do not try to drive through the streets that are flooded. And do not go into water as there could be debris, an electric current, and an orange washed out area. Having knowledge on how a hurricane is formed, what kind of damage can be done, and how to prepare for a hurricane can save your life for the future. Thanks for listening and hope you have a wonderful day.